Welcome to Galactic Wisdom Way Shower, where we nurture the seeds of your soul. With Etalk beside me, let's tend to your rainbow seed, aligning your soul with the frequencies of your highest path. This is a rainbow seed maintenance weekly light body calibration. Let's see, what is the goal of this week's light body focus? What is your light body focusing on? Oh, I am loved. I am love. Root Chakra. You are focusing on what will remain in your life for years to come. There's a sense of discipline. I'm feeling like you are getting used to a new version, a new way of living and being, and you're loving it, and your light body is wanting you to focus on what makes you feel safe now and where do you feel strongest at. There's a sense of being fearless. You have officially released some kind of distorted fear that past you believed was real. So congratulations. This feels like a new physical foundation, a new life that's coming in, and you said yes. Now, where are you being upgraded energetically? Energetically, with having this root chakra, it feels like there has been a higher dimensional root chakra installation. Now, you have chakra systems. Your physical vessel has chakras from the third dimension to the fifth dimension. Then your higher selves have higher dimensional chakra systems. And your oversoul has a beautiful template for these chakra systems. It feels like your root chakra, there is a new installation, and you said yes. Now let's see how this upgrades. How does this upgrade your life energetically? By you saying, yes, I want that new root chakra. Oh. This card just stopped me in my tracks, you guys. Family of light. By saying yes to installing this root chakra, you will... If you thought you were receiving signs from God, Source, Universe, buckle up, because that was nothing. That was nothing compared to what this new chakra system and this new life is ready to offer. They're showing me in the past, before this root chakra was installed, it was like you were playing telephone. Some things were being guessed, words were being mispronounced or changing, like you didn't have the right meaning for certain symbols or signs, and you just weren't getting the full clear message from the other realms. Now that this has installed, you are receiving visions in HD. You're receiving messages fully transmissioned. They're showing me transmission, but fully written out so you understand it at its highest capacity. And not only that, you're being energetically upgraded where you have the ability to tap into your family's light frequency. and specifically your angelic family. So whether your soul originated as an angel seed or there's a few things. Not all beings that are angelic began as an angelic being. But you have had an incarnation as an angelic being. And this whole time you've been working with angelic beings as if they are something separate from you. When they're actually a large part of where your energy comes from. And what I'm actually gathering here is you are installing an angel seed. You're installing angelic chakra systems. Now, angelic chakra systems look very different than earth seed or star seed chakra systems. Oh, this is so beautiful, you guys. They're pretty much showing like you've been working on like low your entire life, and now it's getting cranked up. So now when you're working with someone on something, it's going to be instantaneous. It might, they want me to tell you, it might shock you at first how instant it's going to come through. Okay. Let's get to which chakra needs maintenance so it doesn't overwhelm you that these chakras are now officially installed. Congratulations, by the way. It feels like a homecoming. It feels like your angelic soul family is saying, finally, they accepted, they allowed this to occur. Now, which chakra needs maintenance to not become overwhelmed by this energetic upgrade? Oh, this makes so much sense. So if you know anything about me, you'll know I will not call this a chakra. I say the Earth Star Gateway. Now, you may be an Earth seed. I mean, right now in your human suit, you are an earth seed. But, whether your soul originates from this planet or if your soul originates as an angel seed, regardless, you're needing to maintain your connection to this planet. And a beautiful way to do so is by tapping into the planet. And this planet is a highly intelligent consciousness, right? Meditate with this beautiful planet because it is reading you. This beautiful planet, Earth, is reading you and knows that your root is now connected with this beautiful light family. And you are bringing this beautiful light down to this planet. Speak with our planet to see what is my light offering to this planet now. And I do have something to say. This planet is not helpless. It is a divine, intelligent consciousness. Do not just blindly throw energy at this beautiful planet. This planet knows what it feels like when you're connected to your higher root chakra, and it is excited to communicate with you on how to use this energy where it is coinciding with the planet. There is no hierarchy here. It is complementary energies. Now, who is supporting your manifestation as you connect with Earth, as you connect with this new light body chakra system? That makes sense. Earth angels. So yes, your angelic family. If you saw a face or thought of someone when I pulled this card, they very well could be in your family of light. They're in your soul family. They too are an angelic being like yourself. And they are assisting you, and maybe they have a different perspective of our planet. Now, for alignment, what needs self-care? I'm going to call in this angel seed. To have an assist in seeing what needs self-care as you have accepted this root chakra installment and your family of light energy. How do you take care of yourself while engaging with this planet? Our ancient future. Taking care of yourself by also connecting with your family of light's ancestors. I know that sounds funny, but angelic beings have ancestors. So I will state this in a different manner so it's not confusing. What is going to help you with your self-care is not checking in with your physical human ancestors. It's meditating with your angelic ancestors, because they are assisting you right now. Whew. This is so exciting, you guys. Now, if you have felt very connected and are wanting to know more about angel seeds and their chakra systems, or even ancestors of angelic beings, check out my seasonal quantum Reiki life coaching plan, Angel Seed Activations. It is a seasonal plan, so I am open for enrollment for specific seasons. But congratulations. You have officially allowed this part of yourself and soul family to integrate in your chakra system. That is something absolutely divine and beautiful. I want to thank you for walking this wisdom path with me. Keep tending your seeds, whether it be rainbow seed, angelic seed, star seed, earth seed, and may your journey be guided by being human with spirit. Tend your seeds, trust your light. I'll see you next time.